Hey folks, take a look at this lighted pick. It's a great tool for removing tonsil stones, which are smelly, calcified chunks of bacteria, mucus, and dead cells lodged in the tonsils. The rounded shape is great for gently removing stones on your own, and the light lets you see what you're doing. These picks are a great addition to your medicine cabinet. So check out the Amazon link below to get one for yourself. Thanks for watching.
Tell us about Meta7.
It's great. Ever since I've been taking it, I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts, and when I get off, I still feel like I've just not quite started the day, but still have plenty of energy. It's wonderful.
Do you feel jittery or shaky when you take it?
No, nothing at all. You don't have to eat, don't have to keep drinking something, don't get dry mouth. It's just a great thing.
Makes you feel right.
Yes, it does.
Yeah. Hey man, I appreciate it. Thanks.
You bet.